In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple and effective online form. Forms are essential tools for gathering information, whether you're looking to collect contact details, feedback, or any other data from users. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to set up your form efficiently. Let's get started. First, we need to create a new form. This can usually be done through a form building tool or software of your choice. When you open your form builder, look for an option to create new form or something similar. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This action will set up a blank canvas where you'll be able to add various fields according to the information you want to collect. Next up, let's add the essential fields. Most forms require basic information, so start with including a field for the name. Look for an option like Add Field or Insert Field and choose Text Field. Label this field as Name. As you do this, consider what type of input you want. Typically, you'll use a standard text input. Now proceed to add a field for an email address. It might be labeled as Email Field or Email Input. Ensure it's marked as mandatory if you need every user to fill it out. Forms often have a setting to make fields required, which prevents submission unless the field is filled. Remember, email validation is key to collecting accurate contact information, so make sure this feature is enabled, which many tools offer by default. Following that, include a field for the phone number. Similar to the previous steps, add a new field, labeling it Phone. Here, it's a good idea to specify the format you'd prefer, such as with country code, area code, or dashes, by including placeholder text in the field description. This small step can significantly ease users' input process and reduce errors. Once your primary fields are set, let's move on to the crucial part of any form, the Submit button. This allows users to send their information after filling out the form. You'll usually find a button option in the form building panel. Drag and drop it to the bottom of your form. To customize, label it Submit, ensuring users know what to do once they've completed entering their details. Adding this button should automatically be linked with your previously set fields, triggering the data collection process upon clicking. Finally, with all components in place, it's time to publish your form. This involves making it live and accessible to users. Typically, there's a Publish or Save button somewhere on the Form Builder interface. Click that, and your form is now ready to be shared. You might also receive a direct link or an embed code, allowing you to easily distribute it on your website or social media. And there you have it. A simple, straightforward process to create and launch a new form. Remember, well-structured forms not only help in collecting accurate data, but also enhance users' experiences. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.